Will somebody please tell me what the fuck that sound is coming from my car? A friend of mine tried driving stick and had it in reverse, installed in reverse. I heard a big bang from the engine compartment. I have no idea what it is. It used to be a little bit more faint, but now it's just ridiculous. If someone please help me out, I really appreciate it. Just tell me what the problem is in the comment box below. Don't bother sending me a message. Thanks, guys.